If you want to set up an alarm clock on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then in that case we can use the clock app, which you should be able to find in the app drawer. So once you open the clock app, then over here at the bottom you want to make sure that alarms are selected, and you might even be able to find some example alarms, which of course you can use if you want to. You can just tap on the switcher to turn it on or turn it off quite easily. You can also tap on the clock in order to customize it. So if you tap on the time itself, then you can adjust the time. But if you tap on this upper part, where for example here I have days of the week, then you can make some further customization. You can find some additional customization options. So for example, over here you can make the alarm repeatable. You can choose on which days of the week it should go off. You can also schedule alarm for a specific date. And here, as you can see, we have some additional options. And also you can delete the alarm clock if you want to. If you want to create a new one, here at the bottom, we have this plus. And of course, you choose when the alarm should go off. And there we go. You can, of course, still tap on that tile, on that alarm over here to make, once again, these customizations, to make some changes. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.